Look at all this. I found this that for me is super cool because they are the 3D printed dragon, and these come in a package of 12. So no worries, anyone can get like 4 of them, and it's super cool. Let me open this. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, look at this. Okay, let's open one. Look at this. Wow, these are super cool. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at the different patterns on the colors and shades of green. Same as the egg. Wow, so cool. They're gonna love it.